Garden. Winter is cold. The kitchen is warm. Let us make some honey wheat bread. I made a lot of rice, but this is the first time I made bread. Please give me some support. Give us thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Let us start. Made some bread. This is a very simple, easy ingredient. Let us check it out what we have. But remember, stay with us to the end. Go see how it turn out. We need a bag for the yeast and 3 tablespoons honey and 1 tablespoon salt and 3 tablespoons the butter, and we need the 3.5 cups of the wheat flour and 3 cups of the all-purpose flour. We will all mix together. We need the water is 2.5 cup of warm water. Temperature is 120 degree. Let's put in the yeast, 酵母 salt 盐 and butter 黄油。然后呢 speed 1 用1号的这个速度，然后 2 minutes mix together， 就是1号速度2分钟给它混在一起。I add the honey in the hot water is at 120 degree. That's the 就是我加了这个，然后再加在里面，然后 add to the flour。我已经把枫糖和温水都混在了一起，然后加在这里面，加着跟 add all the flour together. Okay. 然后呢就是30 seconds we mix together. 30 seconds, 30秒的时间，让它们一起。Now, it's time. We already mixed together for 30 seconds. It's time to change the mix hook, and wait for another 6 to 8 minutes. After mixed it, we let it rest it for about 10 minutes. Then we will divide it and put 2 well-oiled the pans. Now, we will cover it in a warm place, let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. We already let it rest for 40 minutes. Let us have a look. Oh, that's rested double size. And the next step, we will set up the oven is 350 degree. Then we put it inside, let it cook about 20 to 25 minutes. Wow! Ooh. Oh, looks so good. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us thumbs up. I see you next time in Lu's Garden.